So welcome to another video as we're in the area. Thought we would just finish off with a video showing the works at Wendover Small Dean and the Wendover Dean Viaduct. Hit the news last week because the viaduct here at Wendover is now complete. The bridge has been pushed. As it's just been in the news, it would be rude not to come and film the now pushed into place Wendover Dean Viaduct. So yeah, as we can see it there in the distance, get nice and close. Now pushed all the way along from where it started. They're now going to start lowering it on to the supports. You can see it there. We'll go close up. It's going to be jacked down onto these. Idea in time it'll end up merging into the fields. Obviously it's caused a lot of destruction here. This was an area of outstanding natural beauty. Probably the most controversial part of the entire project. You can see there it's now into place. Goes off over here where it ends. See the end of the line there, the end of the viaduct there. And now in its final position, and they'll start building the outside of it, and then connecting it up to the Small Dean Viaduct. And we are just going to fly into the site here on the Small Dean and fly back across. Nice and high, no cranes operating, what we can see. No flight restrictions here, so it's all good. See where we are against that, so you can see the piers start here. There should actually be much here. The road has changed, so the road I'm sitting on is now realigned. You can see there the viaduct in the distance. Don't think it's had any movement on it yet. He's going to fly over, much better position to get from sitting out here on the road. Don't have to encounter the power lines. So on the other side. The viaduct there. Got all the side pieces seem to have been attached now. Looks like it's full width, ready to be pushed across this road. Now the road's being realigned. I'm sure that's what's going to happen next. And there's the structure there as it waits. I'm not going to go too far because I know there's a lot of power lines over that way. I'm going to looking back down the route of this viaduct. It's going to run down into the tunnels just outside of Wendover station. And then from here you can see the bridge supports there in the distance, the new road alignment, and then the viaduct itself being constructed here, ready to be pushed across. I'll give you an idea of the scale of this. The viaduct ends in the distance, follows across to the other Wendover Dean viaduct.